Hello everyone. Today I'm going to take the topic Around the World in 80 Days. So it's a novel written by Jules Verne. So I'm taking the chapter 4 in which Phileas Fogg surprises Passepartout, his servant, beyond measure. Main characters Phileas Fogg and Passepartout. Phileas Fogg is the primary protagonist in Around the World in 80 Days. The story details his attempt to go around the world in 80 days. He is a mysteriously wealthy Englishman with a knack for gambling and is generally seen as a confident, inspiring sort of man. His willingness to attempt the feat of going around the world in 80 days show that he is a risk-taking sort of man with boundless confidence. Passepartout, the honest and ever comical French valet for Phileas Fogg, he is loyal yet impertinently burdensome the travelling companion. He is a brave, warm man, yet seems to often throw a wrench in Fogg's attempt to travel around the world in 80 days. He is a very endearing, though utterly comedic. Summary of this chapter. Returning home from the Reform Club, Fogg shocks Passepartout with the announcement that they will be having immediately to travel around the world in 80 days. He entrusts Passepartout with his carpet bag containing the £20,000. On the way to the train station, Fox gives the 20 guineas he just won at whist to a beggar woman, a gesture that brings tears to Passepartout's eyes. Fogg's friend from the Reform Club see him off at the station. He offers to let them check his passport when he returns on December 21st, but Ralph assures him that they trust his word as a gentleman of honor. As the train passes through Sydenham, Passepartout cries out, remembering that he forgot to turn off the gas in his bedroom. Fogg calmly responds that it will burn at Passepartout's expense. Thank you for watching the full video. Hope you like it. Like, share and subscribe my channel and stay tuned till next video arrives. Bye.